Way they go. Golden Bridge, rather debonair by the roll. Danny Phantom from the outside because of you. Coral Beauty down on the inside. Dominance, Golden Bridge, Senor Elijah. It's debonair by a length and a half. Danny Phantom because of you. A long shot, Coral Beauty down on the inside. Senor Elijah rushing out by Dominance and Golden Range. Last 450, Danny Phantom, Coral Beauty, and Senor Elijah. Dominance in the middle as they swing from the favorite Danny Phantom. Down on the inside, Coral Beauty, Senor Elijah, because of you. Golden Rage also rushing up Dominance. And nearing the finish line, Danny Phantom by some 2 lengths. And finally, number 6, Danny Phantom. Senor Elijah, close dominance. Golden Range, Coral Beauty, because of you, and Debonair.